In this video, you'll learn how to activate the Notion AI assistant. This process involves navigating through the Notion interface to enable and interact with the AI features effectively. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. You can do this by typing notion.so into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which contains various options for getting started. Next, locate the option to create a new page. This is typically found on the sidebar of the Notion interface. Click on the button labeled New Page. After selecting this option, a blank page will appear, ready for you to begin working. Once the new page is open, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You will find the Notion AI icon, which resembles a small robot. Click on this icon to activate the AI assistant. Upon clicking, a new interface will pop up indicating that the AI is ready to assist you. Now, you can initiate a new chat with the AI. Click on the option that says New AI Chat. A chat window will open, allowing you to start asking questions or making requests. This is where you will interact with the AI to get the information you need. To engage with the AI, you can simply type your question or request in the chat window. This could be anything from asking for help with a specific task to requesting information. After typing, click on the button labeled Ask AI to submit your query. At this point, the Notion AI will process your request and provide a response. You will see the AI's reply appear in the chat window. This interaction allows you to get quick answers and assistance for your Notion-related tasks. If you want to activate the AI again later, simply click on any blank space within your Notion page. After that, press the spacebar on your keyboard. This action will reactivate the Notion AI, allowing you to ask follow-up questions or request further assistance. To continue using the AI, type in your next query in the chat window. You can ask the AI anything related to your work or projects within Notion. The AI is designed to assist you with a wide range of topics, making it a valuable tool for enhancing your productivity. Finally, if you wish to create a new page while using the AI, you can repeat the earlier steps to initiate a new page. This allows you to maintain your workflow efficiently while still utilizing the AI assistant's capabilities. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.